Good morning, everybody. John Stiles here with the VIP Real Estate Group at Bridge Realty. I'm back at you here with another Monday morning motivation, and welcome back from the weekend. I don't know about you, but there's a big mind shift for me between going from the weekend to Monday. You know, weekends are full of family activities, little home repair projects, different things to remind us how we need to be better at parents, being a parent. So lots of things, lots of good things go on the weekends, and then Mondays come, Monday mornings. So as I've said before, these Monday morning motivations are as much for myself as for anybody out there. And by the way, if you are out there watching this or listening to this, let me know, and then maybe I'll continue sharing these thoughts with the world, and we'll go from there. So anyway, today's topic is wanting it. You know, in the past we've talked about different mind things to do, different things to focus on as far as maybe focusing on your goals, what you want to achieve, and putting those out in front of you so that you know what you're shooting for. We've also talked about what people will think about you when you're gone, and maybe that's something that will motivate you, if the legacy that you're going to leave behind. And on the flip side of that, we've talked about what will happen if you fail. What will happen? What will life look like if you don't achieve the things that you need to do? So lots of different things, different ways to think about being motivated and what's going to get you motivated. So today I wanted to talk about wanting it, because all those mind exercises, if you will, might not go very far if you don't connect them to your emotions and to your mind, to your heart, I should say. By the way, if I mix up and mess up here, just so you know, this is recorded live on Facebook, and so I might stumble over my words here and there, but for those of you who don't watch it live, it's released in a podcast form and then on my YouTube channel. But anyway, so wanting it on a Monday morning. So think back to something that you've gotten really excited about. Think back to maybe falling in love and planning out your wedding and your marriage. Maybe think back to planning a really exciting vacation, or what's something else that you've really longed for and looked forward to, something that you were excited about. And those emotions, sorry, I got to get myself focused here. Those emotions weren't just in your head. They were in your heart and in your body. Getting excited about something gets your heart pumping, gets your blood flowing. You might even want to jump up and down and scream with excitement because of something that you are so looking forward to. Now, is there any way that we can apply that excitement and that focus to our Monday morning job? So it may be difficult when you think through, well, you got to respond to emails, you got to make phone calls, you got to look at spreadsheets, or whatever it is that your job entails. But instead of focusing on those mundane tasks, instead focus on what your job really means. Do you get fulfillment from helping other people? No matter what type of job, you're fulfilling a role that ultimately is helping people. And do you get a sense of accomplishment from doing a good job, from being excellent at what you do? Do you feel a sense of creativity from different things that you produce for your work? And of course, do you have a sense of security from the income that comes from your job and being able to pay your bills? So these are different things that I encourage you to focus on instead of the just mundane tasks of going to work. And then focus on those things that are so much more meaningful, and how much do you want those? Do you want that security of an income so much that you can get excited about it? Do you want that fulfillment and enjoyment of what work can bring to you so much that you just want it? And you know that if you can get your mind and your heart and your spirit to even think like that, that can just help you look beyond these mundane tasks and just help them to, even the difficulties, even the hardships, it can help them to fade into the background as you focus on what you really, really want. So that's my thought for this Monday morning. I hope it's helpful to you, and that's what's going to get me up and motivated to be successful this Monday. And that's all for now. Again, this is John Stiles from the VIP Real Estate Group at Bridge Realty. Hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. We will catch you next time. See ya.